What's going on, Patriots? My name is Liggines, and I am one of the audio, video, technology, and film teachers here at Berkmar High School. The audio, video, technology, and film program exposes students to the basic art, history, theory, and technology of film and video production. The overall objective of this class is for students to acquire a strong foundation of knowledge in film and video production at a professional level and to prepare them for a university coursework or a career path in the television and film industry. This course will train students to use film as a tool of communication and self-expression in the entertainment and industry. Students will study the history and the theory of film as a complex, collaborative art form. They will explore the foundational elements of writing, photography, visual perception, elements of design as they apply to cinematic expression. Students will also analyze the use of film and video to share ideas and influence culture. They will also be trained in the multi-technical skills required to communicate through film and the rich variety of employment opportunities available in the field. Take a walk with me as we tour our studio. Let's go. So this is my production studio. This is what I'm walking into at Berkmar High School. Pretty decent size for a studio, but we definitely about to transform this. We're getting brand new equipment. There's gonna be a lot of organization. Lots of organization. Got mattresses and all kind of stuff in here. This room is completely getting changed out. Get ready for the transformation. All right, now that we have toured the studio, I know this has been a lot of information in a short amount of time, but basically all you need to know, come in, work hard, and we're gonna have fun. This is probably gonna be one of your favorite classes. We do a lot of video production in here, mostly almost every class, depending on what level you are. So come in ready to work.